Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher David Lawson of NEPA. Today I'm doing a quick video, a demonstration of the Worx 1900 PSI pressure washer. This is not an unboxing, but I'm going to tell you what comes with it. It comes with a 25-foot hose for the sprayer. It comes with a cord with a GFCI plug. It has the turbo nozzle, which you would use for washing, say, your driveway or concrete. It has a 25-degree nozzle. It also comes with 40-degree nozzle and a soap nozzle for washing your car or, say, your siding or whatever. Today I'm going to be trying to do a little demonstration cleaning up my front deck. All right, before we get started, folks, I'll go ahead and show you how to assemble the wand and get everything connected. You've got your wand, you've got your spray gun here. These pieces actually just go together like this, push them together, turn it, your handles together, and then you're going to want to put your hose in here to the handle. It takes a little bit. You got to push it together and actually thread that on there like so. Connecting on this right hand side here with your 25-foot hose. Of course, the first thing you got to do is actually push it in there so it seals better, and then you just go ahead and turn that on. Okay, the next step, I've got the GFCI plug plugged in. I went ahead and tested it out. You can see the green lights on there. Next thing is to hook up the water. And of course your hose connection is on your left hand side. We just go ahead and screw that onto your garden hose here. All right, folks, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and use the 40-degree white nozzle since we're doing wood to soft surface. Just pull your connection back, push it in there good. Make sure that's in there tight. You don't want that piece falling off. My actual goal for today is try to remove some of this finish. We'll go ahead and start off with the 40-degree first, the softer one, just to see if that works. Doesn't seem to be taking it off very well with the just the 40-degree nozzle. Maybe I'll go ahead and switch it out and try the other nozzle next. All right, we are actually switching to the 25-degree nozzle. They said that's for cleaning up your concrete surfaces and your mortar and stuff. It does seem like it's taking a little bit more off, but in order for me to get the finish off, I may have to switch to the extra turbo nozzle. This seems to be doing a good job of cleaning the surface, but what I really want to do is I want to get some of this whole finish off. Okay, folks, like I said, we're going to go ahead and use the turbo nozzle. This will give you the full power of the pressure washer. Now, generally, you're not going to want to use that for cleaning. I think this will be the best one to help remove some of the finish. There you go. This seems to be the one I want to do to use it to remove finish from the deck. I don't want to use this on a soft surface just to clean the deck, but this will be good for like paint removal and stain removal like I've got now. This here seems to be doing the best job. The turbo nozzle is doing something like this, removing the stain. All right, everybody, I've been doing this for about 25 minutes now. I will say that this finish here that's been on here, a lot of it's just been touched over the last 10 years. I see the 1900 PSI really isn't enough to do a job like this. If you look, you can see a lot of dirt coming up, though. I would say this 1900 PSI from Worx would be better for good cleaning jobs. All right, folks, this is what the deck looks like after using the pressure washer for a few hours. It took most of it off. It really had a hard time with some of these really deep spots. Of course, I got to replace that board anyway. But as far as doing a job like this, trying to strip old finish off a deck, I don't think the 1900 PSI is going to be enough. Not my intention actually with buying it. I actually bought it to clean my car and do some other stuff. All right, folks, like I said, my main purpose for actually buying this is to actually clean stuff. I'm using a little bit of car soap, a couple ounces in the tank with some water. But the biggest thing is when I'm washing, I drive on the highway a lot and I want to be able to pressure wash and get all this stuff off. And the recommended pressure for actually washing a vehicle is 12 to 1900 psi. Of course, I'm using the soap nozzle right now. I went around the whole vehicle once, and actually it only used about half a tank so far. So I'm going to go ahead and try to use that up now, and then we'll switch over and try to rinse all this off. All right, I went ahead and switched over to the 10-degree one. I'm going to go ahead and start blasting this off now. Let's see how that works. All right, so far on the front here, we seem to be getting quite a bit of it off. Kind of a weird light coming off there, reflecting. Green. Let's see if we can get some of these bugs off. That's the 25. That's actually a chip in my paint, but a little bit cleaner. Still see a little bit of residue on here. I may have to soak this down a little bit, but as far as spraying goes, it seems like it's taking it off pretty good. 25 seems to be working better. Let me go ahead and finish rinsing this thing off. All right, folks, there you have it. The Worx 1900 psi pressure washer. If you want it for jobs like stripping finish off a deck, it's really not the pressure washer for you. But if you want it for a job like this, say cleaning your vehicle or just maybe even cleaning your deck or your house, I highly recommend the Worx 1900 psi pressure washer. Honestly, my only complaint with it was the high pressure hose going to the gun kind of tangles up on itself, but you probably saw that in the video. But thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.